Hi everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time it is an informative video on how you can link your Google AdWords account with your Google Merchant Center account so that you can set up the shopping campaigns accordingly. Step 1 will be to send link request from your Google Merchant Center account. First of all, you need to go to the website merchants.google.com and log into your Merchant Center account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-downs list, select linked accounts. To link your Google Ads account with your Google Merchant Center account, click on the link account button. You will be prompted to enter your 10-digit Google Ads customer ID. If you are not sure where to find it, you can go to your Google Ads account, look for it in the top right corner of the page. Second step is to log into your Google AdWords account. If you don't have a Google Ads account yet, you will need to create one before you can link it to your Merchant Center. Once you are logged in, click on the Tools and Settings icon in the top right of the screen and select Linked Accounts from the drop-down menu. On the Linked Accounts page, click on the Details button next to the Google Merchant Center. If you have not linked your Merchant Center account yet, click on Setup button and follow the prompts to link your account. If you already linked your Merchant Center account, you should see a message that says your account is already linked. And that's it. Linking your Merchant Center account with your Google Ads account is a quick and easy process that you can help to boost your online sales and reach more potential customers. If you have any questions or need further assistance, be sure to check out the Google Ads Help Center or contact Google Ads support team. Thanks for watching and happy advertising. If you still need more help on how you can correctly connect the Merchant Center with AdWords, or if you want to set up any campaign, you can contact us through our website. Please do like, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to click the bell icon.